Why shouldn't we fast? Why shouldn't we fast? Because that's what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala also ordained. And He also made it obligatory. As again, Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam, the meaning of the hadith, I don't recall the whole matan of the hadith, where a woman asked Sayyidah Aisha. And we learned a lot about these, the woman issues and the family issues, actually from Sayyidah Aisha. May Allah be pleased with her. So the woman actually asked her, and this woman is from Hira, is a place in Iraq. And she asked her, very simple question, why the woman makes up the sawm, the fasting, and she does not make up the salah, meaning during menstruation. And Sayyidah Aisha responded, and she said, Aharuriyatun anti, are you from that part of the world, or are you from Hira, from that place where the people are famous for being argumentative? Meaning, are you just asking to argue? Subhanallah. And the woman took it very well. And she said, no, I really want to know. Exactly like the sister now was asking. And look at the beautiful answer of Sayyidah Aisha. And this hadith has so many things we learn from. But basically she said, Kunna nu'maru bidhalik. Or the meaning of, we were ordered to make up the fasting, and we were not ordered to make up the sawm. Meaning we did not fast when we had our monthly cycle or the menstruation, and we were ordered to make up the fasting, and we were ordered not to pray, and we were ordered not to make it up. Let me make it clear again. So the hadith teaches us all that the woman during her cycle does not perform salah. And Al-Imam al-Nawawi, he said, all scholars from the time of Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam agreed that the woman during her menstruation does not perform salah. And no fasting based upon many hadith, and the one I just shared with you was Sayyidah Aisha. Why don't we make it up? We don't make up salah, but we make up the fasting. This is because what Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam, what he taught us. That's what she said. She said, when he was living amongst us, his wives all, we had this, and we did not fast and we did not pray, but we were asked to make up the fast, and we did not ask to make the salah. One of the points, and I always say it to my beautiful sisters and everybody who's hearing me, Islam by nature, if you take the name itself, what is Islam? Islam is peace, absolutely, is one of the meaning. But one of the other meaning of Islam is submission. Submit to the will of Allah. I submit to His orders, and I submit to His orders to do, and I submit to His orders not to do. So I submit to His order, or I submit to not to do. So when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala teach me or tell me do something, then I should do it. Now, us as a human beings, whatever knowledge we have, we don't have the knowledge of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, because Allah is al-Alim. So I submit to the will of Allah.